Amaphoyisa asebophe abasolwa abane ashaqane ibhamu zohlobo lwe-AK-47 kanye nomagazini abangenalutho ngenkathi kuqhubeka umkhankaso ngaku-R24 eMagaliesburg ngoLwesibili. Amaphoyisa athi kaqale ukusola ngemuva kokubona iloli elibhalwe izinombolo zaseNamibia lipakwe eceleni komgwaqo nokutheke emva kwalapho kwatholakala lezi ibhamu zifakwe esakeni lempuphu ziyofakwa kwenye imoto ebiseduze naleli loli. Abasolwa babhekeneke namacala eyamene nokutholakala neibhamu eyingekho emthethweni.
The police continue unabated to fight the proliferation of unlicensed firearms in the province. On the morning of the 16th of June 2026, the members from SAPS Magaliesburg arrested 4 suspects and seized 8 AK-47 rifles and 7 empty magazines. It is reported that the members were patrolling on the R24 road when they noticed a Volvo truck with Namibian registration number parked on the side of the road and a Mazda sedan behind it. As the team observed the vehicles, 2 men carried a mealie bag from the truck into the boot of a Mazda vehicle. The members swiftly approached the occupants, and upon searching the mealie bag, they found the rifles and the magazines. All 4 suspects were arrested and charged with possession of unlicensed firearms. The suspect will be profiled and the firearms will be taken for ballistic testing to establish if they have been used in any commission of crime.